Happy birthday, Tim.
Happy birthday, Tim.
Happy birthday, Tim.
Happy birthday, Tim.
Tim's a great leader because he's inspiring, because he doesn't ask anyone to do anything that he won't do himself or that is not impossible. He is always showing proof that everything that is possible by showing the crew and everybody when he goes down and does crawl spaces, basements, whatever it may be on his own. He shows, be like, hey, listen, you guys said that this was an area that you had trouble with, and I just did it by myself. So it's a good leadership because he's showing you how to do it and showing you that it's possible.
Happy birthday, Tim.
Happy birthday, Timmy.
Happy birthday, Tim. Enjoy this day. God bless you.
Tim's taught me a lot over the years I've been here, but I think one of the biggest ones he's taught me is to continue to learn, invest in yourself, because no matter if you're here at Healthy Spaces in future endeavors or just in life in general, the more knowledge you have, it's basically the more, not so much power you have, but you're just more versatile in other areas.
Hey Tim, happy birthday. I just want to thank you for everything you've done for me, helping me grow as a person and as an employee. Definitely appreciate everything you do, and hope this year is as good as the last. Have a good one.
Hey Tim, I wanted to wish you a happy birthday. Hope you have a fantastic day, and I appreciate everything that you do. Love ya.
A statement that always reminds me of Tim is, why are you going home? The sun's still out.
Happy birthday, Tim.
Happy birthday, Tim. Thank you for all that you do for us.
Happy birthday, Tim.
It's what Tim's taught me is the little things. It's like he talks about like don't be putting ruts in yards. Don't leave anything behind. And I can understand that. I've had work done on my house, my vehicle and stuff, and people leave stuff everywhere. And when you see that, you think about, did they care about the work that they did as well, or did they care about my experience and what they were trying to help me with? So Tim taught me that those little things are a big deal, and I've definitely seen the results of that. Customers truly trusting you to solve their basement issues, their crawl space issues and stuff. So,
happy birthday, Tim.
Happy birthday, Tim.
Happy birthday, Tim.
Happy birthday, Tim.
I think the biggest lesson I've definitely learned from Tim throughout the years is being okay with failure. I've never worked for a company where the owner actually encourages you to fail, and it's not because he doesn't want to see you do well or to not succeed, but you learn so much when you're trying things that make you uncomfortable. You're learning, you're growing, and there's so many good lessons to be learned from that. So that's not only helps me here at work, but also my personal life as well, is not allowing my fear, the unknown, to hold me back. So that's probably the biggest lesson.
You get to be the same age as me for another 8 months. Wish you the best. Hope it's great. We love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tim. It's all uphill from here.
Thank you, Tim, for everything that you've taught me, every opportunity that you've given me. Some things that really stick out to me is definition of integrity. I know, especially early on, I've been here for about a little over 6 years. If a customer had a problem and the job wasn't going well, Tim would be there to lead by example and show people how to do it. So I guess learning that don't ask your team to do anything that you wouldn't do yourself is a big one that sticks out. Another thing is it kind of ties into that, is the never say die mentality. If you believe that you could do something and you put your mind to it and your heart to it, there's nothing that you can't accomplish. And for instilling that in me, I'm truly grateful. Thank you, Tim. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tim. I just want to say you're one of the most genuine people I know, and that is something that I've learned from you as I've continued to work with you. I've known you a long time as a friend, but I've gotten to know you better as a business associate and a friend, and I appreciate everything that you've done to teach me and help me learn.
Happy birthday, Tim.
Happy birthday, Tim.
Happy birthday, Tim.
Happy birthday, Tim. We appreciate you.
Happy birthday, Tim.
Happy birthday, Tim.